lamp and a smoke machine.
Hey everyone, as you can see, we had quite a marvellous time. So a whole bunch of people got together at a friend's house, and we brought along some stuff that we'd made, and we brought along a few jobs that we thought we would do while we were there. Camped over for a couple of nights, drank a few beers, and got up to all kinds of mischief. So we'll get back to some of the other people's projects in future videos. But this was my project. And my project was actually a relatively new street lamp, an LED street lamp, that had fallen off of a local street light. It had been on the road for about 5 days. And I thought to myself as I kept driving past it on the way to work, you know what, I'm going to pick that up. And one day I eventually did pick it up. Yeah, there we go. It's all a bit neater, isn't it? All looks a bit prettier. And as you can tell, it was in pretty bad shape. It had obviously fallen from quite a great height, about the height of a street lamp. And it was a little bit broken. So the aluminium had great dings and cracks in it. So I took an angle grinder to it, I chopped away a great lump of it.
Must be true Alex Jones said it, yeah.
Oh yeah, bugger, where did that go?
It's fine, it's over there.
Right, okay. So we'll stick that in that end, that end's driving that end.
Can we do an electro boom with this?
Yeah.
We'll use that.
Having looked at the electronics, realised that perhaps that little drive box that you can see me tinkering with there would actually operate if I just connect it straight to the mains. And with a little bit of luck, if I get my wiring right...
Inverters years ago, which worked very well for...
Oh, check it out!
Oh, whoa.
Oh, yeah!
It didn't go bang.
It didn't go bang. Obviously, I decided to put on plenty of safety gear. As you can see, I've got my safety ear protectors on, my safety eye protectors on, and my safety footwear and gloves. Anyway, we made, effectively, a massive floodlight, and this thing is bright. You don't realise how bright these street lamps are until they're actually down on the floor, glaring you in the face. So we made this street lamp, and we connected it up to the mains. We attached it to a tripod, and then later in the evening, everyone could see what they were doing. Now, a few different methods were used to dubiously connect this actually rather heavy street lamp to this little a tripod, which originally had a light on it. So we've got a ratchet strap on it, and there it is. We've got a little street lamp that could that's the brightness of the sun, and it can really hurt your eyes. And boom, smoke machines, lasers, fireworks, fire extinguishers, music, beer. Well, what more can be said? I hope you now know what to do if you ever find a fallen lamp. I hope this has been slightly interesting, mildly amusing, and a little bit useful for you. And if you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe already. Obviously, keep an eye out for future videos, because I think we're going to get into the detail of quite a few little bits of project work that was going on at this wonderful, wonderful event, which was so kindly put on. Alright, cheers and beers people, take care, have a wonderful week and a wonderful weekend. Bye for now.